Hello everyone. So all are here now. Pranali is there, Chaya is there, Nitin is also there. So this meeting I'm just conducting because yesterday we finished the topic aliphatic hydrocarbon. So related to that, I have shared two assignments with you. Now I will explain you how will you finish those assignments. I'm just sharing my screen with you so that I can explain you the assignments. I hope now you all can see my screen. Okay, first of all, you must have got two mails from me related to the assignment 1 and 2. Let me first explain the assignment 1. This is regarding the natural resources of the alkane. I've made this assignment on Jamboard. So once you'll open the mail, click on Open in Jamboard. Once you'll open the Jamboard, you can see there is one sticker where I have written my question over here. So I've asked you what are the natural resources of alkane? To answer this question, you will select the sticker from here. Write your answer. For example, I'm writing biogas is the natural resource of the alkane. So once you write your option, you can select the color for your sticker. I'm selecting here blue and just click on save. So your answer will appear here in the form of a sticker. So you are supposed to write one natural resource and write it on the sticker and post it here. So this is your first assignment. Now regarding your second assignment, just open this mail containing the second assignment. Click on open the slides. So this is a Google slide. I've made the assignment on this. We have finished yesterday the methods of preparation of alkane. So for the practice, you will complete this presentation on this topic. I've written the next slides. You can see on every slide, I've written the topic of that is from which compound you will prepare the alkane. And in front of that, I've written the name of the student. So every student will complete one slide. So what you'll write, first you'll write the statements regarding this method of preparation. Reaction, you can write it on the page. You can click a photograph of that and you can upload it using this image option, insert image option. This is your second option. So you'll be preparing this slide, writing a statement and inserting the image regarding the reaction. You know, don't have to save this assignment because this is in the Google Drive version. So it will get automatically saved. So you're supposed to finish both these assignments by tomorrow. So the deadline is tomorrow. So you'll be finishing this assignments tomorrow. Then once you'll finish this assignment, so we can conduct the next lecture. We can start the next topic, that is reactions of the alkane. If you have any queries related to the assignment, you can raise your question in the chat box. So I can answer your queries and then you can start doing your assignment. Thank you.